Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Chechi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thanks for sticking around with me. So in today's video, I'm doing something that I've never done before, which is I'm making a video for a subscriber. So a subscriber demanded a video on how to clear your elbows, your dark knees, so that you can match your skin tone. So I know a lot of people struggle with that. Your elbow might be a lot darker than your normal skin tone. Your knees will be way darker than your normal skin tone. But this is a video for you. Let's get right into it. Some of the reasons why your elbow and your knees can get very dark is because of using products that contain very acidic substances and chemicals which are not good for your skin. So a lot of people, when they start applying some bleaching creams or some organic products that people sell to them, they start having dark elbows, dark arms, and everything just start getting dark except some parts of the body which lightens up. So that is not what we want. So if you have that situation, if you're in that situation, I'm here to help you with this video. So you need a couple of things for this video. The first one being AVC. So I've talked about this a lot of times, so I'm going to just link that up on the screen. So AVC is very good. It is used in weight loss. It clears out dark marks, it clears out hyperpigmentation, but you should make sure that you use it when it is diluted, especially when you're drinking it or putting it on your face directly. Another thing I need is sugar. So I need sugar. So what I need sugar for is for exfoliating. I need it to exfoliate the skin while you are applying what you want to apply on your skin. So the next thing I'm using is bicarbonate of soda, which is this. So this is very good. It is also good for removing odors. It is good for removing like very bad smells. It helps to lighten the skin, but it is very dangerous when you apply it directly on your skin. I don't even advise applying it on your face because a lot of people do that. That advice is not coming from me because it is very acidic and it can mess up your skin pH. So we don't want that. Another thing we need is powdered garlic. So I've used it in a video before. So garlic is very good for the skin. One of the benefits of garlic is antibacterial, antiseptic, antifungal, reduces swelling and inflammation, and also it brightens the skin because it contains vitamin C. Another ingredient that you need for this recipe is ginger, powdered ginger. So ginger rejuvenates the skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, it reduces cellulose, and it just gives your skin that glow that you need. And the last ingredient I'm going to be needing for this recipe is lemon. So I've done like lots of videos where I use lemon, so by now you already know that lemon is actually very good for the skin. So what does the properties of lemon, what does lemon do for our skin? Lemon brightens the skin, it removes scars, it provides your skin with its natural glow, it also has antibacterial effect. It treats psoriasis, it treats eczema. So why are you not using lemon, people? So let's get into making this. So for this, you're going to need a mixing bowl and some spoons for measurements. I think by now I should probably get a measurement spoon, but this is what we're going to be using to measure it so that we get like something very similar to mine when you actually try yours. So the first thing I'm going to need is baking soda. So I already have my baking soda here, so I'm just going to take this quantity of baking soda and I'm going to pour it into my mixing bowl. The next thing that I'll need is to add in my garlic, and I'm also going to add in this quantity, very little, not too much. I'm going to add it into this. Same thing goes for my ginger. I have the ginger here. I'm going to take that amount too because I'm not making really a large quantity, so you can always adjust the measurement for what you want to do, the quantity that you want to achieve. So this is the ginger. The next thing for me is to add in sugar because I want it to have some exfoliating effect when I'm using it. So yeah, little exfoliating effect. So that is my sugar. I'm going to add it right into this bowl. So inside this bowl now I have ginger, garlic, sugar, and I'm mixing it up right now. Also the baking soda is in, so that's it. So right about now I need to add in my lemon. So I need to slice up this lemon first before I actually put it. And you have to remove the seeds so it doesn't get into the mixture. This is very acidic. Please do not apply it on your face. It is just for your dark knees, dark elbows. Do not apply it to your face. I'm begging you, it is very acidic. It's going to mess up your skin. So I'm going to drop in the lemon juice into it. It's already see how it looks right now. See how it looks. I have to keep on mixing. So the next thing I have to add now is my AVC. So my AVC, I'm just going to measure it with the cover, and just like this little quantity, there's already lemon in it. So yeah, this quantity of AVC, just the cap of the AVC is just good. Can you hear that sound? See how it looks now. So this is ready. The mixture is ready now to be applied on the skin. You can add more sugar if it's way too liquid than you want. So I'm going to add in more sugar. I'm getting another spoon so I don't mess up my sugar. So there is the sugar I'm adding. I'll continue to mix it up. And now it's ready to be applied on the skin. So I'm going to show you how I apply it on my skin. I scrub my elbows and my knees with this so you can try it ASAP. The elbow, just get a little bit of quantity with your palms like this, and then you apply it to your elbow. My elbows are not really dark, but just continue to use this as often as possible. The more you use it, the more it's going to work on your skin. So it's not just when you use it once you just stop using it. Just exfoliate like this, apply it on it, and you can leave it for a couple of minutes before washing it. So I would advise, like, before you take your bath, you can just apply it, then after some minutes, like 5 minutes, you go take your bath. Then you can wait for 5 minutes.
Then for my knees, guys, I also have to go over it. Not as rigorous as you're seeing. I had to increase the speed limit of the video in order to shorten it. Just go over it gently like I did to my elbow, and your skin is definitely going to improve.
That's the video, guys. To my subscriber, Pretty May TV, I hope you try this out, and I would love to see your progress report. Let me see how your elbow and your knees lighten up using this recipe that I just dished out to you right now. I hope you find this informative. I hope that you find this helpful. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye.